Hey everyone, it's me Megs and I'm here with a new video. I'm going to show you how I achieved this super pretty braid out on this U-part wig, and I needed a protective style since I'm so many weeks post relaxer. So this U-part wig is by Klaiyi Hair and this is their kinky straight texture, and you know I absolutely love kinky straight textures because they are so versatile. You can do so many things with it. And so I did wash, deep condition, put a little leave-in conditioner in this wig and let it air dry, and this is exactly how it looked. No joke. Super pretty, very soft, no shedding, and it is just it's so full. It's so pretty. I love kinky straight textures. So this is a U-part wig and this is how it's constructed. I do feel like the construction is really well made, and it does have about 6 combs in it. So you have a comb near the U-part area to anchor your wig. So there's 3 at the top there, and then there is a comb at the back and adjustable straps, which I really appreciate. And there is lace on the back, so say if you want to throw this U-part wig up into a ponytail, you could do that. And there are additional combs on the sides too, so there are plenty of combs if you choose to use them. So for this, I did decide to do a braid out, so I did roller set the ends and did about 4 cornrows to this U-part wig because I did not want to apply heat on my leave out, so this would have made it really easy for me to blend my hair. So I did use a Cream of Nature Liquid Gold Style and Shine mousse, and I did use a roller on the ends just to, make it more finished. Just have a little bump on the ends, a little curl, however you like to do your ends when you do braid outs and things like that. So I really enjoyed how well the set. I really feel like in the future I will be doing a roller set on this U-part wig because it is the kinky straight texture, and I think it would be absolutely beautiful. It came out really smooth, held the curl like really well. It's actually been about a little over a week since I've done this style and the curls are still there. So I also noticed with the mousse and of course the water, I did set the rest of the hair and did the braid out in cornrows, but you can do individual braids, and I think I would actually suggest that so you can actually put more rollers on the ends so it can be more uniform instead of doing the cornrow. So the hair set really well as far as how the braid out turned out. I really love how it looks. It looks very natural, very soft, no frizz. So pretty and very full. So that's what I was talking about. If you do individual braids, you can actually roll more of the ends. So since I am so many weeks post, I do not like to manipulate in my hair, and I don't want to manipulate in my hair and my new growth and cause any breakage and things like that. So I just section my hair off. I have my leave out right here. I have 2 sections on the side braided and 1 large section in the back. So this is my leave out right here that I braided to match the braid out that I did on the U-part wig. So putting on the U-part wig was really easy, and the wig was really nice and lightweight. So the combs were really easy to slide into my hair too, because that was a concern of mine because I do have a lot of new growth, and they didn't dig and they didn't snag, so that was a good sign. And also I'm only going to be wearing this U-part wig for about 3 hours, so I wasn't too worried also. So now it's on and it's laying pretty flat. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the braid. So I just did 1 braid for the leave out area. And I'm really pleasantly surprised that it matched the color of my hair because my hair is pretty dark and it matched the texture of the braid out that I did. And I really love kinky straight textures because the braid outs and the twist outs on these types of wigs, they're just so pretty. I love it. So I'm noticing that it's blending really nice. And it's just with little effort. Like if I need to go somewhere and I don't want to apply heat to my new growth and my hair in general, pop this bad boy on and you're out the door in minutes. So since I am so many weeks post relaxer and I have a lot of new growth, it's not going to lay pretty flat right now, but that's okay. And that's why I love that I did a braid out with this U-part wig. So I'm just going to put on some edge control some Edge Fixer by Kiss, which is my favorite edge control right now. So I'm just going to apply that to my edges. And just to, some swoop-de-doops, style it a little bit. And this is pretty much the finished look. And with this wig, I really would have loved to put some face framing layers and some layers in the back to give it an even more natural look. But since I'm growing out my bob, I'm gonna wait. This braid out turned out so pretty. I love this texture. It's very lightweight. This wig is not heavy. I did use the adjustable straps and I was able to make the wig fit. But I did feel like I needed a smaller size. It was a bit baggy in the back. So that's my only complaint about this U-part wig. Other than that, everything about this wig is absolutely beautiful. It has a lot of volume. It blends very well with my hair. The hair itself is very soft. So I'm really excited to play around more with this unit. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.